What's up, guys? This is the fourth video of our machine learning 3 days challenge. Today, I'm going to explain you related to some basic things related to pandas. And some guys asked me that they have come across with some errors. I have understood that those errors are related to the installations because they haven't installed pip because now here we are using pandas. Pandas means it is a Python library. If you want to use pandas, first of all, what you want to install, you want to install Python in your system. Okay, I think you have understood how to install Python to your system. And after that, this panda is a library which is running top of Python. Therefore, you have to install pandas also. To install pandas, you have to go to your command prompt or PowerShell, and you want to install the pip. Pip is a Python package management system. If you have installed Anaconda, you do not want to install pip. You can install the Conda. Okay, with Conda, you can have the dependencies of Python and non-Python both. But here, since some of the guys, they didn't install Anaconda, I will go with the pip installation. So first of all, you have to go to your C drive and create a folder there. So I will be going to my C drive. I will be creating a new folder which is called the DA. So you can create any of those folders by any name. And after that, come to this folder and with shift, press the shift key in your keyboard and right click by using your mouse. Then you will be getting this one, open PowerShell window here. That is the way of opening PowerShell. So open the PowerShell. Okay, after coming to this window, okay, you can install pip. Now, guys, one of those guys asked me one question: what's the difference between PowerShell and the Windows command prompt? Okay, there's a very simple difference between those two. PowerShell is more advanced than the Windows command prompt. In both cases, you can have the similar type of commands you can run in both shells, but PowerShell is more advanced than the command prompt. That means Windows command prompt can run only the Windows commands, but in this PowerShells, both Windows commands and also it can run something called commandlets. We will be discussing what are those commandlets in a separate video because this is nothing related to this PowerShell and the Windows command prompt differences. But I will give a short description. Now, in order to interact with the operating system, it has the operating system has provided us an interface to go with that one. One is what we call the Windows command prompt, and the other thing is the more advanced feature to interact with the operating system is the PowerShell. In both cases, you can interact with the operating system. Okay, but in this PowerShell, you can run the programming functions as well. That means it is more it consists of more advanced features. Okay, that's enough for those things. But now we are going to install the pip here. So write pip. You can write. Just wait for me. Right. Then type there pip install. Pip install pandas and enter this one. Then it will be entered in that one, and then will be telling that it is already installed this one. Okay, so after that, if you have installed that one, you can check whether you want to upgrade it or not. What you want to do, you can write like pip installed pip install, what you want to do, you want to write the command pip install minus minus upgrade pandas. Like this way you can upgrade the pandas. Okay, but here you do not want to update that one because I have already I have installed it several times, this one, so you do not want to upgrade that one. So the now it will be getting upgraded like this way, right? Okay, you have to do those commands in order to install pandas to your system. And also, since we are dealing with NumPy as well, so you can write the command pip install NumPy. Then the NumPy will be installed to your system, and the same way you can update it one. Pip install minus minus upgrade NumPy. Okay, like that way it is installed and it is upgraded. Okay, anyway, if I tell you to install one of those packages to your you have to import. If I tell you to import a particular library to your Jupyter notebook, first of all you want to install that one by using your PowerShell. Okay, later on I will be telling you to import the matplotlib. Then what you want to do, before that you want to come to this PowerShell and pip install and matplotlib or scikit-learn. Like that way you want to install those libraries. Okay, now here I will be dealing only with pandas and NumPy, so that will be enough for me to go like that way. Then after that, we can come to what we call the, we have already installed this Jupyter. Then I can write the, I can open my Jupyter. You just write Jupyter notebook. Just write the Jupyter notebook and enter this one. Then it will be automatically open in this Jupyter notebook. Okay, then we can deal with the Jupyter notebook and we can do our commands there. Okay, that is the way we want to go. Okay, I think now you have understood how to go with this one. Like this way you can do the things. Now Jupyter notebook is getting open. After that, what do you want to do? You want to come to this one, new. Okay, and click this one and get this Python 3. Okay, then this Jupyter notebook is getting opened, and here you can type your commands. Okay, now those guys who got errors, you can go like this way. You know, I minimize this comment, I will maximize this notebook. Now the Jupyter notebook is running. Okay, this untitled thing you can you can rename that one. Okay, but I'm not going to do it now. Here now you can you have to import the libraries what we have got earlier. Then you have to import what we call NumPy, and you have to import pandas here. So write the command import NumPy as NP. That means now I will be using this NumPy in several cases, so I don't want to always write NumPy. That's why I am taking this one as the NP. It will be easy for me to get like that. Then also I want to import what we call the pandas. So import pandas as PB. Okay. Okay. Then what you want to do, if you want to run this one, you have to just just press the key shift and enter, or otherwise you can click this just the run button. I will use shift and run. Okay, it will be coming to this one. Now this is these things are what we call or we have already imported to this one. So now I will be writing one of the dictionary commands in Python. Okay, so I will be writing this dict one. That means it is a dictionary. Okay, equals uh, uh, okay, right. This curly braces and put it like this way. Okay, and here what you want to do, you put some what we call the double quotations there, and we will write a dictionary. First write the name, okay, name, and put the colon there, and put the sorry, this one has to come like this way. Okay, right, then put this bracket. Okay, then now you want to write the things there. I will write my name like this way. Okay, and after that another name. I will be writing my one of my favorite name. Okay, put the single quotation there. Okay, any other name you want to write something like, right, we'll take four names there. uh, okay, now after finishing that one, now this name thing is finished, put a comma there, and now I want to add some marks of these guys. Okay, right, marks. Okay, then put a colon here, put the square bracket there. Then we have to put the marks. Since we are dealing with numbers, numerical, we don't want to put like this type of single quotations. The single quotations we are putting only for strings, like the word format things only we are using that single quotations. Here we'll just put like numbers 78, here anything like 97, 67, 45, like that they put. Okay, again we'll put a comma. We'll put another one. Put double quotations. Now we'll put location. Okay, put a single this one colon, and this one, and give the names of the places here, like this way. Use the single quotations if you're using strings there. Use the quotations like this way. Okay, any name, you can make what we call like this way. After I think these things will be enough. Okay, now this one is then finished. Okay, now this is our dictionary. Okay, after finishing this one, what you want to do, you have to come to this place which is finishing. You can just put the run command there. Okay, now some error is occurring. Okay, we will see what is that error. Here, this one is umbrella. Yeah, we have missed this single quotation there. So if you have missed something, it will be available there. Okay, then again come to this part and put the run command. Okay, now this error will be eliminated and you are getting your thing. Now if you want to run this dictionary, okay, uh, we want to make, now this is we have converted like the comma separated thing. I want to make it into a like the Excel sheet. That format I want to convert. Okay, how do we convert that one? So that you want to use the command DataFrame. DataFrame is DataFrame basics we will be discussing after a short while. DataFrame means it is like in the form of a tabular. That means it is like a table. Okay, now write like this: def equals. Now you want to now read this one. We will be taking this pandas. Pandas means PD dot. I will write this one DataFrame. Okay, to understand that one. So this is the dictionary one. Simple. This is DICT dict one. Okay, dict one. Okay, right. After finishing this one, what do you want to do? You want to run this one. Okay. After coming to this one, what do you want to do? You just write df, that means this data frame, and come to this one and run this one. Now you can see that these things, what you have converted, this dictionary format, it has been converted into a tabular form. That means this is the data frame format. Okay, right. I think you guys understood that one. Okay. Then what are these 0, 1, 2, 3, 4? Those things are calling as the index. The first index is called 0. The second index is 1. Then the 2, 3, like that way it is going. Okay. Okay, if you want to convert this into a comma separated values, okay, we will be taking then df dot df dot 2, okay, underscore csv. That means if you are going to convert into a csv file and put like this one. We will be writing any name. That means for that name we will be using something. We'll write it as employee. Now this one is employee.csv. We will be writing it as employee.csv. Okay. Now it is employee.csv. Okay, after coming to this one, you can run this one, or otherwise put shift and enter. I will be done like this. Right. Okay. Then you can check this one. Okay, you have to come to then you can come to the folder which you have created earlier, and this file will be available there. Okay, we didn't create anything there, but this will be automatically created. You can come to this one and check in your C drive in the DS. Okay, you can see this employee.csv. Now the CSV file is created there. Okay, this is a comma separated format thing. Okay, it is available, and these are our Jupyter files. Okay, so those things also available here. You come to this one, and you can see there is a CSV file. Right, Excel sheet will be open in there. Right, you can see the things which is available there. Right, then okay, again we'll be coming to our what we call Jupyter file, and we'll do some operations here. Now this is the tabular format that I have created. Uh, if you want to take only these header things, okay, if you want to filter out some of the headers, you can write now this is your data frame. you can write def dot, just write the head and what are the rows that you want. You can put it inside bracket, like that. You can put, and you can just run this one. Then you are getting only those two. Say I have put the only the two heads, therefore the first two heads will be getting. If you want to get the later part now, in the real time, you are not getting this type of small things. You will be getting like millions of rows. Okay, then when you are doing the pre-processing means if you want to find out the missing values and inaccurate values and you want to clear up those things, then you want to identify what are the missing things. So in that type of cases, you want to identify what are the headers, what are the tail parts, like that way you want to identify. Okay, now how do you identify how do you sort out some part of the tail? Okay, right, then just df.tail, and if you put like 2 from the bottom, you can write like this way, and you can run it in the run command. Okay, then this last two will be coming. This one is Amrita thing, and this Sahan will be available like this way. Okay. Now, if you want to get the description, okay, you can write like this one, df dot describe. By using this describe method, you will be getting the statistical analysis. That means you are getting the numerical values there. Just put like this way, okay, and you can run this one. Okay, see, this is the statistical analysis. That means here they are giving you the count. What is the count there? And what is the mean value there? Okay, the mean value is 71.75, like that. Then STD means the standard deviation, and the minimum value is the 45. Like that, when the first quartile is 25%, and the second quartile means the median, and the third quartile and the maximum value, like that. It will be giving you a statistical analysis. Okay, guys, that will be enough for today, and we'll be meeting with the next video as soon as possible, because once I'm getting free, I will be uploading the next video. Thank you very much.